What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon. The channel, I always get it confused, is 540 Flips. Um, Hope everybody's doing well out there. I've been trying to figure out a way. I've said it in the other videos, I've said it on the other channel. I want to get more content up over here, having a blast doing this stuff. But I'm not going to lie, I have suffered a struggle with figuring out how to manage my time to get videos up, edited, thumbnails made, eBay post like eBay listings done, sourcing items, um, packing and shipping, just so many things. Plus, live a normal life or have like a normal life mixed in there. So much to do. Mad props to those who get videos up every day, who consistently upload, that sort of thing. Um, I'm going to try to figure it out. And this is maybe something I can do um, to kind of put up more content. So, what I'm going to do is I have some orders I need to pack. I have pulled them all. I'm going to show the items. I'll try to maybe throw up like what they sold for or what have you. Um, Yesterday had a really good sales day. I tried something different and I had like 200 and some items, I think, with watchers on it. Sent out offer on all of them to the watchers. Um, I just did a percentage based offer just to see like how that would work. Would that help kick things up a little bit? Um, and it did really good. So I think I'm going to start doing that more. Maybe not every day, but every so often, just if there's a bunch of items that are offer eligible, I may just kick offers out to folks. The other thing I was thinking about, a lot of times people think, well, if I accept an offer, if I send an offer, I'm taking less for my item. That is true, but at the same time, um, if it's not a huge percentage, like 50% obviously is a lot, but if you're not doing like a massive percentage off, sometimes it's gonna not 100% balance itself out. But think about, if you sell it full price and then your eBay fees, obviously the cost of good was higher. The percentage of your eBay fee going to take out more in fees. If you just go ahead and deduct that, and I hear a lot of times, uh, s- you know, resellers say, "Well, I don't want to give any more money to eBay than I need to." Well, with that, if you give the offer out, you're lowering the cost of the item, which then your eBay fees are going to be lower as well. To help actually, you're probably going to profit a little bit more than you expect. Now, it's not going to be 100% even. You are still going to take a little bit less, but in some cases, it's not as drastic as it seems, and you're going to be moving inventory, getting sales. You're going to help the algorithm. I tell you, there's many secrets to the algorithm that nobody knows all the answers to, but one thing is for sure, it's going to like you making sales because then that means eBay's making money, right? So, anyway, enough of that. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, comment below. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed or left a comment or watched the videos, whatever. I'm going to try, believe me, just hang in there. I'm going to try to get more content out. Maybe I can do this every day um, and kind of share what's selling. Um, the other fact and the reason I've never done this is because normally during the day, as sales are coming in, I am literally like, I like to get stuff packed and ready to go out. And then I make the trip to the post office. And sometimes, like, if a person buys something and I haven't been to the post office, they're probably surprised because if a sale comes through and I haven't left yet, I'll print the label, get it packed, and take it over that day. That's why in my feedback, a lot of times, there's many notations of fast shipping because even though I have my store set to the 2 day or 3 day, whatever it is, I get stuff out as soon as I can. So that's another reason why I don't really share like the sales and stuff. I'm gonna maybe try to do it this way, where in the evening I can record it and just share it with you guys. So enough talk. Let's get to it. I got 10 items here. I'm still waiting for payment, or there would be 11. Um, combined yesterday and today, I have 20, actually 21, but I'm waiting on payment for one. But 21 sales, 20 are paid for. The paid was a total of $737.30. Um, so definitely pretty good there. Um, Again, I've already packed and shipped most of the stuff yesterday, so this is what I need to get out today. And I'm just getting ready to do my packing now. So I was like, let me record this and share. So, all right, we got here. A lot of this stuff's going to be stuff that I sent offers out because I had watchers, but a Willie Davis 65 Philadelphia rookie was $7.04. A classic 96 classic TO rookie $1.76 after the offer. A Bowman Ty Law rookie $4.22 after the offer. Now this isn't this is like there's going to be shipping on top of this and everything as well. I'm not giving you the full like what the buyer paid on it or whatever. Um, Here's a Prism Brilliance Tom Brady. This was $1.76 plus shipping. So those are the cards. Got a couple CDs here. Picked up a lot of like 98 CDs, I think it was, from an estate sale. I paid 15 bucks for everything, so just over 15 cents a piece into the CD lot. It was a lot of rock, metal, the good bands that people really like, and I've done very well so far. In fact, I'm pretty sure I'm in the profits already on it. And I've only sold a few. I sit down and list some sometimes in the evening. But anyway, here's the Lincoln Park Hybrid Theory. This was $4.99 plus shipping. Here is a No Doubt Tragic Kingdom. This was $3.51 plus shipping. Next up, this is an international sale. It's a Granger Smith, the Yee Yee brand. Um, Camo hat here, kind of a trucker hat, snapback. It does still have the tags, so new with tags there. Got the Yee Yee on the bottom. This was where did it go? $19.99 plus shipping. So that was a pretty good one there. I love buying hats. That actually came from a buy, I believe, at Goodwill where I picked up, I think it was 5 hats. 4 or 5 hats, I believe it was. All were brand new with tags, and I did pay up on them. They were $3.99 each. I normally try to get hats at $1 to $2 max, but there was 2 hats in there that when I looked them up, they were good hats. Like, um, there was some priced crazy high. The most recent sold, I think the person undersold it. So I've already sold one of those hats for $59.99. I have a second of the same identical hat listed right now for $59.99. I've sold a third hat that was a different style of the brand for $29.99. This one now is $19.99. So all total already, um, 60, 30, that's 90, 110. And I spent like, I don't know, 20 bucks on 5 hats or whatever. I got another one listed for 60. So it could turn like 20 into close to 200 when all is said and done. So not a bad pickup there, even though I had to pay up for the hats. I had a good feeling that they were decent hats. Next up here, this is a vintage Lionel. The box is kind of rough shape, but you can see here on the end, it is number 3472, the operating milk car. I do not have the milk jugs for that. It's supposed to have little magnetic milk jugs that go with it, or possibly would have went for a little bit more. But $43.99 plus shipping on this one. This actually came from the estate sale that I spent a bunch of money on train stuff. This was in a bin that I got for $30. And so I've sold a few pieces out of that bin already. But as you can see, um, even though I spent a lot of money on that, there was profits there to be made. I still have some really big pieces that I need to get listed, some valuable pieces. that I'll be probably doing coming soon to get those up and get those moving as well. Next up, this is something I got from Goodwill. I probably paid like $1.99 or $2.99, something like that for it. It was old 1980. I say old. I am born in 1980, so I can say that. But it's made by Wilton, and it is from Georgetown University. I think it was like from the AV department or something like that. But you can see here there's a bunch of names like engraved on the back of it. You can see Georgetown University 1980. Kind of says from AV LRC, so I'm thinking it's like the AV department or something. But anyway, this sold for 26.39 plus ship, so not bad there. And next up is this was part of the estate sale again, where the trains came from. The missus bought, it was an entire table full plus stuff underneath. There was Department 56, Lamax. There was some Halloween stuff. There's all kinds of stuff there. She asked how much the stuff was. There was a sign and said 150 for everything. She asked what that included. It was everything on the table, everything under the table. She didn't even hesitate. She said sold. Very, very awesome pickup on her behalf, because that money like has been way paid for back, and we still have, like, we have a rack downstairs that is almost filled with stuff. We haven't even put up any of the Spooky Town stuff for the Halloween. Here's another item that sold. This is the Village Accessories Mountain Creek Y shape there. It's got some like bears, and you see the deer there, tree and everything. This sold for 52.79 plus shipping. So that was all profit on that as well, because again, we've sold several pieces from that Department 56 and Lamax table that she picked up for 150. So definitely have done well there. I would say even on the train stuff, I've probably gotten close to making all my money back on that, and there is still, I think there's like 5 or 6 pieces that are, it might be 7 pieces that are like $300, 300 to $1,000 pieces. So that's going to be, a good return on that stuff. I just got to get the time to get it listed. It's bigger stuff, so I got to get them out of boxes, photographed, all of that, nice pictures, detailing, make sure people can see if there's any wear on some of the items or anything like that. So, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. I will try to do more of these type of videos. Maybe I'll just let things, orders add up or whatever. And then in the evening before I go to the post office and pack and all that, I can share with you guys what is sold. So that's all I got for you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. As always, if you have not, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, like button, and comment below. What do you think was the best sale there? So that's all I got for you guys. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.